Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use BYBIT for beginners. So first of all, you need to log in with your account, and then you need to verify that this is your account by adding your ID, basically, right? Every cryptocurrency will ask you about that information, and basically if you don't have anything to support that this is you who is using that account, fortunately you won't be able to work on it. But if you verified your BYBIT account and everything, and you set up your own account and funding and whatever, basically you're gonna see this is the interface of the app. So I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about the BYBIT aim or goal. BYBIT continuously strives to offer traders and investors a seamless user journey in their trading and investing. For instance, one of the recent products, unified trading account. By clicking right here at the bottom right corner, you're gonna be able to see a unified trading account. Allows you to consolidate your assets and basically trade everything from spot pairs, including spot margins, and to perpetual contracts and options within a single account. Now BYBIT is a trading crypto or taking crypto to trading to a whole new level with their latest AI or artificial intelligence. So basically, if you went back right here, let me just hit next right here. Let me go back and hit to the home. Basically, their AI, basically the AI tools, learning feature, tools discovery, the first of its kind in the industry. Tools discovery will be with you every step of your trading journey through customized recommendations of various trading strategies based on your trading profile. So you got a lot of trading bots or trading AIs right here. You're gonna see it. You have more than four options. You have the futures grid, which is allows you to basically trade in amount, if you want it to be neutral, long or short, and that will set the payment for that crypto. If you want to change the crypto to Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever it might be, you can do that as well. And you have the future martingale, which is an AI allows you to trade on on futures cryptos, either or long or short. All right, basically you can set, you can let the AI takes care of it, or you can set it manually, right? And as well, you can select the cryptocurrency that you want. And needless to remind you that every price for crypto changes, right? Because it's a trading account and the prices keeps going up and down. So I'm gonna go back right here, and you have the spot grid, which is my favorite. Basically, you're gonna trade on the spot basically for any cryptocurrency, and you can select the amount of money that you want to pay for. You have the minimum and you have the maximum. Just go ahead and then select the investment money into that AI strategy, and basically they will buy it when the price goes down, and then they will sell when the price is up. And basically that will show you the long game basically, and the spot can take over months, right? Or even a year or two. So basically this is the spot grid for long investments, right? So basically that's how you trade in BYBIT. And you have a lot of tools, of course, and you can basically go in and see the market. If you have favorite markets that you're keeping an eye on, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it might be, you can see right here the many spots, for Bitcoin or Ethereum or Pepe or whatever it might be, or XRP or Ripple, and then you can keep up with the situation on the market, right? And BYBIT will update you, of course, of any increasing or decreasing in the prices. So initially, this is the perfect app for beginners to copy trade or even use AI tools that allows you to, by clicking right here the training bot, you can also copy basically the trades right here, and you can use it for amount of money that you can pay to actually set that trading method to your to your coin, and basically that's it. All right, and I'm gonna go back right here, and you're gonna see this is my account and everything, and basically you can see right here the derivatives. Basically this is the coins for perpetual contracts or futures or whatever it might be. You can see it right here, or even options, right? So basically that's it, right? That's a perfect app for beginners. You need some time to actually get used to it, but basically you can take a lot of benefits using BYBIT and learning or installing and setting off your trading journey. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.